Customer states, funniest videos. Let's go.
Whoa!
Customer came in for a tire repair.
And this person was driving on the highway when a turtle suddenly struck the windshield. The turtle was still alive and removed from the windshield, then brought to an animal shelter.
No radio has a blank screen. Look at that.
Customer states radio screen has a white line at the bottom of the screen when the reverse camera is on.
Okay.
You mean your bumper? Customer states blue light on dash.
That's for the high beam. People don't know their own cars.
This is how she drove in. When your car starts grinding, stop and have a look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Customer states, light vibration on the front right. Oh?
And I'm just the messenger, but the mechanic said this customer came in as the paint color of their vehicle doesn't change when they change it in their vehicle settings. Customer states the vehicle they just bought has a noise in the front end.
Oh, yeah.
This is why you sleep under your car whenever you're buying a car. You gotta
Customer
sleep
states
under
his
it.
ATV shuts off every time he turns right.
Yeah, good feeling.
Customer states when turning left and rolling the passenger window down, the door opens.
Let's see if it's open first. Okay, so it's open.
It's open. All right, so we'll go in
Because it won't close.
and we lock.
Nah, it gotta be fixed.
You can't tell me I've ever seen that before.
That's the first time I tried the key because I always have to unlock and lock.
I've never seen that
Doesn't have to be
This
inside.
vehicle came in as the radio wasn't working. The technician removed some trim to access the fuse box and noticed that the interior of this vehicle was saturated with curry.
What?
Customer states, AC blown warm.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Well, that was easy.
Customer states it sounds like a cowbell when he drives over bumps. The customer later found out that his friends pulled a prank on him.